In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge of your Canon Pixma TR8620 printer. Now the ink cartridges are like this, so you have to remove this seal. So take the ink cartridge out of this packing. So remove this orange cap, so hold the ink cartridge and take it out with the other hand. Repeat this process for all 5 ink cartridges. So once we take the ink cartridges out, open the ink cartridge chamber. So hold the printers this side and lift it up. Ink cartridge chamber will come and move into the middle. Now we have to install the ink here. So ink cartridge chamber looks like this. So start with any ink cartridge you want. So the lock portion should stay here with the chip and this side, and the logo should go to the front and press it down. Now repeat it for all ink cartridges. First insert it and then press it down. So it should be like this, going in and then pushing down, going in and then pushing down. Close the ink cartridge chamber door by pushing it down.